Okay, let's go to the next task then. I am super excited about this. So if I run Taskmaster, we can see now we are at 12% progress. And now the next one would be to work on the lead card component and then a drag and drop. So I'm going to ask Claude Code to work on both of the tasks at once. So I can here mention that, can you now work on the task 3 and 4 and 5? 4 and 5 together non-stop, and make sure to update Taskmaster as you go on. The reason is obvious, so that we can keep an eye on seeing if it is using Taskmaster or not. Obviously it is using. You can see there is an MCP call for get task. Now there's another MCP call for set task update. If I run it, probably it has put both of them in parallel. Oh, I see. This is now interesting because most often it can run tasks. This particular use case is not that one, but Claude Code can also run multiple agents working at the same time on multiple files. But in this case, it was just that it updated the tasks in this case. But when we have like these two different independent tasks that two different agents can spin off, it can also work with Claude Code. Maybe during the next steps, I will find a use case where it is feasible, and then I'll show that feature of Claude Code. All right, I will let it run and come back as soon as it's done. Okay, so now it apparently finished these tasks. Let's quickly check the Taskmaster details, and then we'll check the front end. So apparently it checked both of them. So let's go to first run this project, Samantha lead gen. It's again 3001. And we can see that the component is now way more enhanced with all the details that we have taught about, the score and everything. And apparently the drag and drop is also done. This is wonderful. There are small behaviors here that I don't like. I may change it at some point in time, but for now it's absolutely fine for me. For example, when I drag, no, it's absolutely fine. I don't want to change any behavior in order to not make it so complicated. Not sure exactly in which sorting it will put it, but those are all the details that we can do it at some other point in time. So now that I have the drag and drop functionality added, I would like to quickly save it on GitHub. Added drag and drop functionality. And now the next task would be to initiate, add new lead, and so on and so forth. So for that one, we'll see each other in the next video.